In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily download and install Kodak ESP C310 driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to navigate at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there that is being attached. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Once you have copied it, you need to type here at the bottom search bar Chrome. Once you've typed it, a best match would appear. Please click on Open to continue. So in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set already there here before you proceed. So here you need to navigate with the Windows search bar once it is being available and make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, click the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Now you would be redirected to this megafile website or a window. All you need to do is you need to wait until this process would be finished, okay? And wait until or once we can see this file or zip file that is being attached here. Okay, and once you have seen it, click on this download option aligning to it. And in a few moments, it will now start in the installation, the downloading process. So once done, okay, so please wait until this would be done. Once done, please navigate to the download icon. Go with this zip file that is being downloaded. Click on this folder icon. Okay, and from here, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the zip file that we have just recently downloaded. Make a right click and go with this cut icon. The moment you have copied it, close the window, close all of the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. So we need to unzip the file, and there are two ways on how to do such. The first way is that you can double tap to it, and in that way you will be able to unzip it, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool. Okay, all you need to do is you need to use the WinRAR tool and go with this option called extract to. So once done, you need to navigate with a button search bar here and type for settings. Typing on the settings, please wait until a best match would be appearing in this kind of window. And once it's here, click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now here you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options, and please locate with Bluetooth and devices. And under here, please navigate with printers and scanners, and you will be able to see a window like this. Please click on the add device. Okay, so click on it and select for the add manually because the printer that I want isn't listed. And wait until any window would show up here in the screen, which is this one. So click on the local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key, and use among of these three USB ports. It could be 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be selecting for USB 001, so click on next and go with have disk, click browse. And here you need to navigate to the desktop where we can see our extracted file. Scroll down, go with it, then select this driver. So click on open, click on OK, and it will show up here. Okay, all you need to do is you need to locate for C310. Okay, locate for this one, C310, and click on next. Go with next and wait until this would be finished. Okay, so it might take some time, but please be patient. Okay, once done, please allow for printer sharing if you would like to, or you can simply select the other, which is do not share this printer if you don't want it. So click on next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box, and you can also check if your printer is working properly by clicking on print a test page. So go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Kodak ESP C310 driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.